Have you ever looked at a mountain, like from afar? If not, do so now. Notice its peaks, notice its valleys, witness how it grows taller and taller before eventually dipping. Focus on the dip, on that low point. Then follow that line as it grows taller, eventually becoming taller than its previous peak. This is life. Before we start with the video, only a small percentage of you are actually subscribed. So please subscribe, it's free and you can always change your mind. Your life resembles this mountain. My life resembles this mountain. Our lives resemble this mountain. Each of us in our daily, weekly and yearly moments experience peaks and valleys. Some days you will feel up, other days you will feel down. But gradually, subtly, ever so noticeably, things will get better and better and better. Eventually, you will reach a peak that is higher than anything you have experienced before. You will find yourself at a point where you stand above it all, at the top. And yet, as you continue along the path, you will once again move down the mountain to a valley. However, if you zoom out, you will notice that your current valley is higher than previous peaks. Though you may feel disappointed to be in a dip at that moment, your present low is actually higher than previous highs. And guess what happens as you leave the valley? You begin your climb to a new peak. A peak that once reached is higher than you have ever been. In the day-to-day life, it's easy to obsess over what is in front of you. After all, that's what you can see. But in a moment of perspective, if you were to take out an imaginary drone, send it off into the sky and observe the terrain, you would realize that you have actually climbed a great distance. In fact, without realizing it, you may be almost near the top of a new peak, a new high point in your life. Though true perspective isn't as easy to attain as a simple drone flight, it is possible to grasp nonetheless. Reflect on your past, on what you have been through, the challenges, upsets, struggles, disappointments. Then consider where you are today in relation to it. Recognize that life is like a mountain range, but with a slight twist. Sure, it has peaks and valleys, but there's one important distinction. Like a bell curve, a mountain normally has a high point in the middle, followed by two low points on either end. But that's not how your life operates. Instead, as you move from left to right, as you progress through life, your mountain keeps growing taller and taller. Things keep getting better and better as long as you continue to take another step. Remember that as you navigate through the valleys, life keeps getting better, so keep moving forward. Take care of yourself, we'll see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope this video helps you to achieve a smarter living.